I'm in the 5th week since I've had my shots, and I'm making progress. Each week it gets a little bit better. The key to this, like I've said before, is the rehab. I use different types of exercises, and I get in water. And water seems to do as much good as anything. As I mentioned to Dr. Jordan, my biggest issue right now is from my knees up to my thighs. The muscles on those sides are real sore from a previous injury, and it just takes a while for a 70-year-old man to get back in shape like he was. But I feel like I'm making progress. And again, I have the TENS unit that I use at least 3 or 4 times a day, which kind of relax that muscle. And I'm a firm believer in ice. Whenever I finish exercising, whatever it is, I put ice on my legs. And then I go use the TENS unit later. But again, I think it's very important to just take one step at a time. And again, I mentioned this before, you can get complacent, you can get depressed because you want to get back to 100% real quick. It just doesn't take that long for it. But this is week 5 since I had my stem cells.
What percentage would you say you have improved, Teddy?
About 10 to 15%. That's the good thing. I walked up a flight of steps and I did not have to hold onto the rail, but I was close enough. If I had to, I could have grabbed it, and it's not as much pain. My right knee is probably the worst one of the two, and when I make a step with my right knee, it's not as bad as it was before. And again, it's a long marathon that you have to run to get yourself back where you want to be.
Thank you.